I'm sure I'm not the only one who actually say when sheer panic can come into your eyes when you open your skincare drawer and you find this mess. And you can't find anything that you're looking for. Are these things even expired? Should I be putting these on my skin, let alone ingesting them into my body's pores? Let's get this out of here. What are we actually working with here? I found this at the Dollar Tree. Let's check it out. These microfiber cloths. So let's just start from a clean base, a clean slate, as I like to say. Get all this dust out of here. And then let's organize. Let's organize all the things that I have. Here I am looking for an expiration date. Do sheet masks expire? Does a lot of skincare expire? None of these had expiration dates on them. I guess it depends on when you open them. Yeah, I should start writing the dates on things. Let's just organize and sort. Here's a little, that's the trash. That's the trash, honey. Some of these things got to go. Back to that clean drawer. Now, for all your ASM queens, ASMR queens, yes. I got these little clear organizers on the Amazon. I just fidget and finagle them around to see what's going to hold your stuff the best. And honestly, this is the most satisfying part of it all. Of organizing it all and how I want to put all my goodies, all my nooks and crannies to fit all up in there. Nooks and crannies. I take care of my nooks on my face. Yeah. This is your sign. I got like over 20 something of these little clear organizers for like 20 something bucks on Amazon. If I can link stuff, I'll do that for you. Yeah, I love it. I love that. It's their moisturizer. It didn't fit. I didn't need a home. Just make it a little crevice here. Debating what things need to go in here. I'm trying to get things. A lot of this is just like living on my counter too. Since I got rid of so much stuff, I'm like, all right, my little ear cleaner, my little serums. That's my ear cleaner. Yeah, I love that thing. Talking about your crannies. I'll get her all up in your nook. The serum, I couldn't decide if I wanted to lay down or not. If it's going to live here or not. I don't really know. So I'm getting all my tools. I got to get my reusable, other ear tools. Reusable eye mask, forehead mask, and ear swab. That's what I'm trying to think of. Some of these things I forgot I had. I swore I got that soft lips like months ago. Lost it. It's been in here where it belonged this whole time. Who'da thunk? Who'da thunk? Those are little toner blocks, little toner cubes that I need to dissolve. Those are from Lush. You make your own toner. You like steam your face over a bowl of it and then you bottle it up. Now this drawer for hair stuff, that's another day.